Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to see the interesting thing that is called Introduction to SQL. So as of now, SQL is the standard language for database. Accessing the database or whatever you want you can do with the help of SQL only. We see today some of the basics, very important. So it's a database query language. Why you use it? Because this is a language used for storing and managing the data in relational DBMS. That is relational. You know all of you what is data DBMS? Nothing but collection of data. Moreover, all the modern data RDBMS like MySql, Oracle, Sybase, MS Access, all are used SQL as a standard database query language. It's a fundamental basic one. So here now what is SQL and why we need? So as of now here if you go SQL you can go and see the structure of the table. All the data will be stored in the form of table only, that is called tuple, rows and columns. Also remember, and also these are also used to perform all types of data operation RDBMS. Remember, here let's assume that there will be one table. We have data like A, B, C, D. What I want we can do number of what we can do with the help of SQL. So we can do execute queries against database and retrieve data from database. I want to the data about A I can take from here. Then insert records into database. Suppose I want to insert the record called H, so EFG, I can insert anytime, anywhere. Then update records. So in here, that means here B is there. I want to make it X, I can update easily. That is possible. So what I want, I can do here. Then I can do important delete records from a database. So let's assume the table can say ABCD. I want delete means I can delete with the help of SQL only. I can delete anytime. So I want to remove D, I can remove. Then create new database. Thus I can make one table and create a database. It may be a bank or business or anything. Whatever one I can do and create again new table and stored procedure in a database. So I can go for later. So we can go for stored procedure and create views in a database and set permission on data tables, procedure and views. That means whenever one we can view, only particular persons can admin or some person can view the data and see the procedure and so on. So number of things you can do with the help of SQL. So as of now, SQL is a standard query language for accessing and manipulating data. So this is all about the SQL introduction. Upcoming session definitely will discuss everything like the manipulation data, DDL, DML, and so on. That is data definition language, data manipulation language, and so on and so on. And thank you for if you have queries, please communicate in the social media. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.